Good morning, Honorable SSS and my dear friends. Today, I would like to speak on the topic Uniform Civil Code, commonly known as UCC. It refers to the idea of having single set of civil laws governing all the citizens of India irrespective of their religion. These laws would deal with matters such as marriage, divorce, inheritance, adoption, and succession. The concept of UCC is mentioned in Article 44 of Indian Constitution under the directive principle of state policy. It reflects the vision of constitution makers to promote equality, unity, and national integration. At present, India follows different personal laws based on religion, which sometimes leads to inequality, especially in the matters related to gender justice. One of the major advantages of Uniform Civil Code is that it promotes equality before law. A common civil law would ensure that a citizen are treated equally irrespective of religious identity. It can help remove discriminatory practices, particularly against women, that exist in certain personal laws. UCC can also strengthen national integration by promoting a sense of unity and shared identity. From an administrative and legal perspective, a uniform law would simplify the legal system, reduce confusion, and ensure quicker delivery of justice. However, the issue of UCC is also sensitive and challenging. India is a diverse country with multiple religions, culture, and tradition. Many communities fear that UCC might interfere with their religious freedom and cultural practices. Therefore, the implementation of UCC requires careful consideration, consultation with all stakeholders, and gradual inclusive reforms to build consensus. In conclusion, the Uniform Civil Code is not about imposing uniformity but about ensuring equality, justice, and dignity for all citizens. If implemented with sensitivity, dialogue, and respect for diversity, UCC can strengthen India's democratic framework and social harmony. Thank you.